Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App. Please try again later. So guys, if you try to open your Cash App and it's showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you get rid of this error. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to settings option. Let me tell you that you have to tap on your Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just simply have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, because you're facing the error like this, because your internet connection is not stable. Okay guys, just simply you have to stable your internet connection, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon success there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the Cash App. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that you have updated version of the Cash App. As you can see guys, I don't have the updated version, that's why I'm facing the error like this. So now I'm going to update the app. So as you can see guys, the app is updating right now, so you have to update the app. So let me update my app. So guys, after updating the app, if you are still facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to contact with the Cash App support team. For that you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply search for the Cash App support. So after that you have to tap on first link, and from here you can see the social media platform, so you can call with them or contact with them and tell them that your problem, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if also yes there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go through Cash App thought status. So after that you have to tap on first one. Now from here you can check that if your Cash App is working properly or not. If your Cash App is working properly, then you can see here. And if you're facing the error like this and you notice that your Cash App is not working properly, then it means you have to wait some hours, and after that your problem automatically will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.